Welcome to another video on the Windows 8 official channel, and today we will actually show you how to group your tiles on your start screen in Windows 8 and actually put names on the different groups. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you need to do, take all your tiles and push them to the right, far away to the right, and actually arrange them in put them all together somewhere and start thinking about the groups you want to put. Now I want, for example, to do a group with everything that has to do with the internet. So what I will do actually is, okay, I want to have Internet Explorer, for example, here. I also want to have my mail app. There we go, I just put it. And as you see, when I change, there's a separation. You can see a bar showing a separation on the screen. And so you can actually play with that separation to add tiles. So I have the internet, I have the Microsoft Store, mail. What else do I want? I don't want to have this. I don't want to have the weather. What do I do with the rest? Well, I actually want to have the Amazon, for example, and I take out the other tiles. All the tiles I don't want there, I just put them somewhere else. So depending on where you want to, so I'll put the Amazon here. What else? There's maybe the people tile for the social, like Facebook and all that. You have all the info. So what you do is you put all the tiles that have a certain group that you can put together that will do basically anything that have to do with what looks like the internet, or whatever group you want to do yourself. Once you've done that and that you've selected what you want, for example, I'll do another one here. I'll actually put also everything that is news. So maybe you've got some stuff with news. What you could do is, okay, I've got the big news here. I want to have the stock market, and here's some, what else you can do here, sports news, here we go. And if you have any other app that you've added that gives you news, here we go, some news again here. And here we go, and this one I don't want, doesn't go with that. So you see I've got two groups here. I've got the first group, which is news. So we've got the big news, we've got the stock market, we've got some sports news, and we've got another tile here with news. So all of that together. The second part here, I put Internet Explorer, I put the Windows Store, mail for my email, people for all my social stuff, Twitter, Facebook, and the Amazon that I go off and do some shopping so that they're in the same internet tiles. Now, how do you name these tiles? What you gotta do is use what we call semantic zooming. So how do you do that? If you don't have a touch screen, you can pinch on your laptop pad like on an iPad. If you've ever used an iPad or a tablet, you can pinch and you will see that it gives you that little view here. If you have a touch screen, you can pinch on the start of the touch screen itself. It's going to work. And what you do is, once you're in that little semantic miniatures, right click on one of the groups. You see that here it highlights the full group when I pass on it. Right click on it and it says name group. You just click here and you name the group. So I will name this one news. Oops, I did a little mistake here. Let's go back there. Semantic. Okay, so we're here. We got right click, name group, and at that name group I will put news and click name. And here we go. And the next one, right click again, name group. I will put internet. And click name. Keep in mind that to do that you need to be in that miniature semantic zoom that we call. So it's really important. Once it's over, you can actually put back your regular screen, and here you've got your tiles are now grouped together and named. And I would suggest that you do so because it's very important to have a clean and nice start screen. And as you install new programs, you'll have more and more tiles, so you'll need to eventually make all those groups. And so on your screen you'll have news, you'll have internet, maybe you'll have video and pictures stuff, maybe you'll have gaming stuff, and much more. So utilities, for example, you'll put all the utilities together, and so on and so on. So depending on what you want to do, you just take all the tiles, put them far away, and bring the tiles one by one and make those groups. So here I've got groups of 4, but you can make big groups, you know. You can actually have 10, 12, 15 tiles in the same group if you want. The only thing that you really want to do is actually name each group with its subject. So this was a video on showing you on how to actually reorganize your start screen and make groups of tiles. If you enjoyed these videos and want to learn more about Windows 8, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen. You'll be informed when new videos are online, at least 10 new videos a week. And if you have any comments, questions, or requests, let us know. We'll try to put a video online if you have a request. And well, hope you come back to the Windows 8 official channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.